Employee Turnover Case Study by Caitlin Bacon. There are some concerns of a high turnover rate. Some of those concerns include recruitment and training costs. When we need to put our ads out on any social sites, there is a cost involved in that, and then we need to also pay for trainings for new employees. We also have a loss of production. We aren't able to always schedule as many patients as we want in one day if we are understaffed. We also have a work overload on our employees. By overworking our employees, we have a higher chance of losing more employees, creating an even higher turnover rate. Right now, we are at a 10% turnover rate for the past 2 years. We can gather employee satisfaction data. We could do this in a couple ways. We can have all of our employees complete a digital survey. When completing the digital survey, we want to make sure in that survey it includes motivation and hygiene factors within the questions. We also want to include what ifs within the survey as well. If we do a what if, we change something within the company like a bonus. It may spike an idea within the employees. And by spiking this idea, we are able to learn more about what they're looking for and what can motivate them to stay within the company. We can also give an incentive to the employees that complete the survey. So with this, we would have a budget for this task where we could budget about $10,000. We can do gift cards. So those that complete a survey can pick a gift card out of a hat of $25 and can go to a restaurant, a store, just something that motivates our employees to complete these surveys. Retention planning ideas. Some of the planning ideas that I was able to come up with include incentive programs. Incentives could be anywhere from having our employees refer one of their friends. It could be bringing their family to the clinic or their friends to the clinic to give us some more customers. We also could include Employee of the Month with benefits. Employee of the Month would stem from not being on your phone during office hours, not gossiping on the job, making sure that everyone feels welcome, both customers and coworkers. Benefits could include having the front row parking spot for that month with your name on it, a picture of you with a gift bag on the wall. There could be so many employee of the month benefits. And they don't have to be huge. They can be just something small to show our appreciation to the employees. We also could give rewards for Google reviews, meaning if one of our customers does a shout out for one of our employees, Jessica did an amazing job at getting me in as soon as possible. She had a great work ethic. She also was really quick and got me in on such short notice. Something along those lines, just having a customer shout out one of our employees, we can give them a reward, whether that's another gift card, whether it's a star towards Employee of the Month, whether they get a small bonus for being such a great employee and getting that Google review for our company. In conclusion, we need to keep in mind that turnover rates are never great, and we need to just keep an eye and monitor our turnover rates. 10% is high. I'd be even more concerned if it keeps growing. We also need to keep in mind employee satisfaction is important. We want to motivate our employees to stay within the company and make them feel that they can grow within the company by showing their worth. We also need to have a retention planning process in place. This is something that will need to be changed and updated periodically, but we need to have some sort of base. Thank you.